Hello, today we will guide you through how to change Behance URL. To begin, open Behance and make sure you are on the main page. This is the starting point for accessing your account controls and profile settings. Once the page is loaded, look to the top right corner of your screen and click on your avatar. This will open the account menu where you can find options related to your profile and preferences. From that menu, click on Settings. This is where Behance keeps the main controls for your account details. After the settings page opens, select Account Information. That section contains the details connected to your profile, including the part we need to update today. Once you are in Account Information, you will see the Account Information area displayed on the page. Take a moment to scan through it until you find the field labeled Behance URL. This is the custom web address people use to visit your Behance profile, so updating it can help make your profile easier to recognize and share. When you locate the Behance URL section, click Edit. This will allow you to make changes to your current URL. In the editable field, type the Behance URL you want to use. As you enter your new URL, it's a good idea to choose something simple, clear, and professional, especially if you plan to include it on a portfolio, resume, or social media profile. Try to avoid unnecessary numbers or characters if a cleaner option is available. After you have entered your chosen Behance URL, click the Apply button. This tells Behance to check and save the change. If the URL is available and meets the platform's requirements, Behance will move you to a confirmation message. If needed, you may want to review the spelling carefully before applying, since even a small typo can affect how people find your page. Finally, click the OK button to confirm and finish the process. Once that is done, your updated Behance URL should be set. That's all it takes to change your Behance URL. If you plan to use this new link anywhere else, such as on your website or professional profiles, remember to update those places too, so everything stays consistent. Thanks for following along, and we hope this helped you update your Behance profile with ease.